Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a parrot. तोता. सबने तोता देखा है ना? आज हम तोता बनाने जा रहे हैं. First step, we'll start drawing. So, to draw the parrot, we will draw a circle first. Okay, everybody draw a circle. Then another circle, not exactly circle, like this. Another circle and another one. Show here two wings. Have you seen parrot's beak? Red colored beak? I'm sure everyone has seen. Please draw this much. Now, draw the body of parrot. Our parrot is sitting on a branch of tree. So we are not showing full tree, but we are showing stem, little bit. Then show the tail of the parrot. 2 feet. They are on the branch of the tree. And this is the tummy. Now in the tree, there are some leaves. Some leaves are coming from the top also. I am taking this green color. Please divide the tail into 3 parts. Center part you fill same green color. Make the beak red color. These are the wings of parrot. We are going to make wings with red and blue color paint. You know, in Singapore we have lots of colorful parrots. They are called macaw. Give the outline of feet with red color. This is dark green color. You must be having in your pencil colors. Then you give outline with dark green or brown. Now I'm going to take yellow color. This is yellow color. I'm going to take brown color now. This is dark brown color. So we'll make the stem on which our parrot is sitting. You use any shade of brown, okay? If you don't have brown, use any dark red or green. See, this part of tail of parrot is coming from the back. Our painting is ready. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.